What if life was a game? Imagine you were born and a character creation screen popped up. Name, assigned by RNG parents. Face slider, locked. Difficulty, unknown, but probably set to hardcore if you're the eldest sibling. The spawn point. You spawn in a hospital. Zero inventory. No tutorial. Just a cry button. Your first quest? Cry until someone feeds you. Tutorial phase. Childhood. You start unlocking basic mechanics. Walking +1 agility. Talking +2 speech. Eating random stuff off the floor unlocks the poison resistance passive. Main quest? Don't die before kindergarten. School years. The grind begins. Welcome to your first long-form dungeon. School. Your quests. Solve for X. +1 intelligence, -10 sanity. Oral recitation. +3 courage. Or trauma. Side quests. Science fair. Chance to unlock the inventor class. PE class plus endurance if you dodge dodgeballs fast enough. Your first crush. Emotional system unlocked. Very buggy. You grind here for 12 years for a single item. The diploma. Effect. +1 job eligibility. That's it. Skill tree unlocked. At 18+, you finally unlock your skill tree.
You open it up and see a dizzying array of options, many grayed out.
So, like most players, you panic. You browse aimlessly, then accidentally dump all your freshly earned points into overthinking, maximizing its passive debuff, analysis paralysis. You just need to find your path. After watching 27 tutorials on YouTube. Inventory unlocked. At this point, you also gain access to your inventory menu. Finally, a place to dump all that loot you've been acquiring. Here's what you're probably carrying. Childhood trauma. Equipped, cannot unequip. Provides occasional emotional damage spikes. Dreams and goals last opened 6 years ago. NPC Interactions. People aren't just background models. You start to realize every NPC has their own complex quest line and hidden stats. You begin to recognize vendor types and quest givers. The Mentor offers wisdom and rare insight for free. Highly sought after, rare drop. The Influencer. High charisma, unclear skill set, probably trying to sell you a master course for gold. The Spam Caller interrupts gameplay mid-boss fight. Annoying, no XP gain. The X-NPC occasionally sends cryptic messages that trigger flashback debuffs and questionable life choices cutscenes. The Toxic Friend drains your MP, applies self-doubt debuff, but offers high drama XP. As you're grinding through the game, don't forget to equip the like and subscribe perks. They stack, and they give this channel's visibility stats a major boost. You've been grinding, equipping perks, dodging NPC drama, but here's the thing. No one tells you how XP actually works in this game called life. XP doesn't come from monsters or missions, you gain it from the basics. Every conversation that changes you. Every mistake that humbles you. Every day you keep going, even when you really don't want to. Every time you show up, even when no one notices. Every small win counts, without a progress bar. That's XP. The catch? You never really see it leveling up. It sneaks up on you, one checkpoint at a time.
Here comes the money.
Here we go. Money.
Congratulations, you've unlocked the upgrade system. Everything costs something, because apparently this game also runs on microtransactions. The only difference? You don't get to restart if you spend wrong.
Oh no!
Here's where it gets real. At lower levels, XP is everywhere. Grades, trophies, approval. But as you climb higher, the game changes. You stop earning XP from doing things, you start earning it from understanding things. Failures give more experience than success. Patience becomes a multiplier. And you realize the hardest bosses aren't outside, they're inside your head. Enemies don't get weaker, you just start fighting smarter. Choose your class. Will you be the tank, taking every hit so others don't have to? The assassin, fast, focused, but one mistake away from burnout. The support, lifting everyone up while quietly running out of mana yourself. Or the mage, overthinking every spell, never realizing how strong you already are. There's no right build. You can respect any time, but it'll cost you something you can't grind back. Time. They say some games take hundreds of hours to finish, but this one, you've been playing it since the moment you were born. It doesn't have a pause button, no restarts, no save files. Every choice you've ever made, every win, every failure, has led you to the exact point you're standing in right now. It's not just the longest game ever made, it's the best one too. Because unlike any other game, this one has infinite outcomes. The graphics, real. The NPCs, actual people. The world, always changing. And the beauty of it all is that you only get one playthrough. But think about it. How many hours have you spent grinding ranks, pushing for that one win, that one item, that one achievement that'll finally make it feel worth it? You stay up late, lose sleep, skip meals, all for progress that disappears when the power goes out. And yet, when it comes to real life, the one game that actually matters, most people don't grind at all. No effort, no upgrades, just idle. Don't you ever feel it? That maybe this game, the one you wake up to every morning, is worth playing more than anything. Because out here, every move counts. Every decision gives XP. Every failure teaches you something real. Your body, that's your health bar. Your mind, that's your weapon. Your emotions, that's your HUD. So stop treating real life like a background game. The greatest quest was never to conquer the world, but to master the player within. Maybe the goal was never to beat the game, but to actually live it. So don't pause too long. Don't waste your only playthrough waiting for the right time. Because the game's already started. Maybe that's the truth of it all. You were never supposed to win. You were supposed to play. And when your final save file loads for the last time, you'll hope the story you wrote was worth someone pressing